Hello guys, welcome to Review Academic channel. Today here I present you the software that is very popular for lead generation. The software name is Databar.ai. Databar.ai is a non-code data automation platform that turns your basic list into a complete dataset. Instead of manually searching Google or using many tools, Databar connects with multiple data providers and enriches your spreadsheet with missing information. It is useful for sales, marketing, lead generation, research, and anyone who needs clean, complete, updated data fast. When you log in Databar, you will see your workspace. This is the interface you will see. In this workspace setting, you can change your name and name the workspace as you need. Here in the workspace side, in left side, you can see here is team. You can also invite your teammates through email. Here are the connectors. Here are the partner connectors of Databar that you can use. In custom APIs, you can see your APIs that you have made. In billing section, you can also see your current plan, and in account, it shows your personal info. You can also create a new workspace from here, and you can also switch between or among your workspaces. So on the left side, in home section, you can see here tables, charts, integration. Here it shows the table that you have made earlier. And on the right side it shows that different multiple options that you can create a new project. In chart section, you can make various charts. To make a chart, first you need to select a table from here. And then you have to choose the kind of chart you need to show in visualization. Let me choose bar chart. And you have to choose data to x-axis and y-axis. And this is how Databar.ai will provide you your data in visualization. And in the left side, you can see here different features that you can make changes in charts like style, colors, annotate, shapes, image. So this is very useful feature that you can make charts from your data. In integration section, you can see your data bar API key, or you can also make your own custom API. Here, to make your own API, you have to enter the name for this connector, and you have to choose the connector type, if it's enrichment or exporter or data sender. In API settings, you have to choose request type like get, post, patch, or put, and you have to enter a base URL for the connector, and you can also add the parameter headers and body according to your need. And you can also use a custom template, or you can see the tutorial from here how does this API or making custom API works. Now let's explore the right side of workspace. You can see here on the top, you can see your credits. This is what you cost to run a enrichment. And you can also see API library. API library is a library of API of Databar that it has partnered with other tools like Google Shopping Product, Google Maps Scraper. You don't have to make different API to connect Databar with this software. So in this library, you can directly use to scrap the data from these resources. In the resources, you can see the documentation, roadmap, blog, send feedback of Databar.ai. Now let's see how this software works. First, let's start with a blank table. Before I show you a demo, there is a three thing you need to understand to really understand how this software works. Here, data enrichment. Data enrichment is getting more data automatically, whereas data mapping is the process of organizing the data, whereas connectors are the tools that allow Databar to connect with outside data sources, apps, or API. Now let's create a project with a blank table. I have a list of company links, so I'm gonna paste it here. It is a link, so I'm gonna edit column and write it as company link. and the field type is link, so I have to select link and save it. Now, what kind of data you can pull from this software? Let's look in Enrich. You can pull the information of person by email or get email by name and company, get email from social link, getting phone number. You can also pull company information, getting company data by name or link, searching contacts at company. Similarly, you can also get the SEO data and website data, social media data, CRM and lookups, map and locations, and lastly, financial market data. So I have put the company links. So let's pull some of the data of this company in company info section. I want to find contacts of this company. So let's find this email from this website. So company links. I don't have any condition. If you have condition, you can run through conditions. I want email. So I'm gonna select email and add this code. Let's run all these row at once. Now it has provided me the email of the company. Let's have a look at it. It has 268 items. It has the list. You can see the title. The title is about sales manager, and it has provided me the email of sales manager. You can create a different new column from directly here, or you can also create another table directly from here regarding these emails. New table emails, save and run all rows now. Now it is creating me a new table. Now let's open a table. Now it has provided me a separate table of emails. You can also filter it out according to your needs. From here, like titles, contains, let me write it, president. So now you can look here, it has filtered me out that uh, I need the emails of president, so it has provided me the emails of president. That's how I filter this, and you can also similarly filter it out like this. In column section, you can also add new columns. In and also you can export this table in CSV, XLS, or Google Sheet, or you can also send it to your CRM. In shading feature, you can add extra enrichment, or you can research with AI. Now let's explore the AI feature of Databar. Here you can see custom AI prompt. With your prompt, this AI features gonna help you to extract data. So how it gonna help you? Let me show. I want to extract only one image from so much emails. You can see here in emails it has 268 items, but I only want one email. So I'm gonna give it a prompt to extract only one email. So while you have to mention the particular section of column, then you have to use bracket like this. Now let's save and install. Now let's run the go. Yes, it has provided me the only one email that I wanted from this 268 emails. You can see here. Now explore another AI feature, that is AI researcher agent. With the help of AI researcher agent, I want to know how many rooms are there in hotel, in a respective hotel. As I said to you, you have to mention a particular column by mentioning it in brackets. So here I'm also mentioning company links. So you need to select here. Now it has selected. So let's save and install and let's how AI researcher agent will help me to get this data. Let's run this rule. Now it has provided me the data that Marriott International has approximately 1.71 million hotel rooms. You can select and create a new column. So let me give this column a name of rooms and let's create. This is how AI feature of Databar helps you. Now let's use the option of import data. You can import your data through CSV, webhook or CRM. I'm going to import through CSV file. Now it is creating me a table. Here you can see that table. Now you can add the enrichments unit. So now let's find the search context at company, get emails from website. Yeah, that will be fine. Now let's extract the email through website. Now you guys, now you can see here, it has provided me the list of emails that I wanted. Now let's try start with the template feature. Here you can see in the description that it provides us pre-built feature and we can customize as per our need. Let's try this. Here are number of templates you can see. I want to try this pre-built feature, pre-built templates of YouTube. You can see already it has pre-made columns that might need for you. So here it's you only have to put search query. Now you can look here, it has provided me the list of YouTube that is related to motivational videos. The column has video title, thumbnail, link, position, published date, description, and so on. Let's explore the quick action features. In this feature, you get three options: find list, scrap away, browse primary list, and datasets. In find list, I'm gonna show you how to find list with only search intent of industry. Select this intent. We don't have company website, so let's with only company industry. Let's go only with company industry. So let me choose hospitality and let's run the query. So in columns you can see here what this feature is providing me. It is providing me entire company information with website, and if you need email then you can also add that enrichment. Now let's try out a scraper website feature. Here you can see in the description it says that get real-time data from over 100 pre-built scrapers. So from here I'm going to show you how to scrap how to get leads by scrapping Google Map. Okay. And you can also see it has also provided me the email with a name of a person. And you can generate a list with the help of Databar by describing a Google Maps. From browse pre-made list and dataset, you can get access of an existing dataset. Here, Databar has so many databases partner that you can retrieve or get the data from. Let's choose one of the options here. And you can now access the data of different companies. Databar has also a Chrome extension where you can scrap data directly from websites and transfer to your workspace. First, you need to install Chrome extension called Easy Web Scraper by Databar. Then you can scrap by adding columns. After you click here, you can select the company name. Then it will automatically select other company name too. You can see here 35 items selected. You can add as many columns as you need. I want to extract address too, so I'm going to add another column. To send this data from extension to your Databar workspace, you need to connect it through API. Let me show you. Here is my API key. So I'm going to simply copy it and paste it here. Now let's send to the Databar workspace. And you can see here it has transferred from Chrome extension to Databar workspace. Let's talk about the pricing of Databar.ai tool. You can see here there are three plans: launch, scale, and expand. Launch plans cost you $39 per month, and it provides you features like 80 plus data providers, unlimited tables and automations, AI scrapers, and prompts. In scale, it costs you $129 per month, and it includes everything in previous plus CRM and email integration. Bring your own API keys, up to 5 custom APIs. And in expand plan, it costs you $500 per month, and it provides you 50,000 credits per month. And it includes everything in launch and scale plus batch enrich up to 50,000 rows, unlimited custom HTTP APIs. And you can also compare the plans and feature here. And you can choose the plan according to your need.